Happy learning!
Hello kiddos! Let's write the small letter G. Let's start. Start from the middle and make a small C. Then go to the middle again and draw a standing line going down below the bottom with small backward curl. Let's try it again. Make small C, standing line with small backward curl. Now you try. Now check if you did it right. Yeah, well done. Now you know how to write the small letter G. Next time we will write the small letter H. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Like and share. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon.